Are linear pairs always supplementary angles? Imagine two angles sitting right next to each other, sharing a common side and forming a straight line. Ever wonder if they are always adding up to a perfect 180 degrees? Well, let's find out together. A linear pair is made when two angles are adjacent, meaning they share a vertex and a side, and their non-shared sides form a straight line. Because they form a straight line, the total measure of these two angles must be exactly 180 degrees. This makes them always, without exception, supplementary angles. Think of it like this. When two angles form a straight line, they are like two pieces of a puzzle fitting perfectly together to make a straight angle. Since a straight angle measures 180 degrees, the two angles in a linear pair must add up to that. This is why linear pairs are always supplementary. Now, it's important to understand that not all supplementary angles are linear pairs. Supplementary angles only need to add up to 180 degrees, but they don't have to sit next to each other or share a vertex. For example, two angles on different sides of a figure can be supplementary without being a linear pair. They just need to sum to 180 degrees, even if they are far apart. This idea connects closely with other angle theorems. For instance, the vertical angle theorem states that vertical angles are equal, but they are not necessarily supplementary. It shows how different angle relationships work in geometry. In summary, every linear pair is always supplementary because their measures add up to 180 degrees. But remember, supplementary angles can exist without being a linear pair. The key feature of a linear pair is that the angles are next to each other and from a straight line. Understanding this helps you see how angles relate when lines cross and is a foundation for solving many geometry problems.